Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can force quit Adobe Animate. So yeah, we are in on Windows platform, so I will show you for the Windows, but for the Mac OS I think it's pretty similar, but you will just use different key options. So for Windows we have Control Shift Escape. On the Mac is Option Command Escape. It will open something like Task Manager. Now from here, what we are need to do is just select here Adobe Animate, right click on it, and then you will have here End Task. You can close it with that. Basically is force closure of this program. Now, if you had unsaved work before the crash, did you lose an important file uh, or something? Uh, it's yeah, you will lose basically those things if they are not saved. So yeah, with just that you will quick force uh, Adobe Animate to close. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the